In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube Shorts, a feature many creators wish they had. Imagine your short standing out in the feed with a perfectly designed thumbnail, instantly grabbing attention. It's a game changer for visibility, and I'll show you a smart way to achieve it, even though YouTube hasn't officially added this feature yet. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Now let's get started on how to make your YouTube Shorts pop with custom thumbnails. The first stage is designing your custom thumbnail. To start, head over to your preferred thumbnail editing app or software. The key here is to design your thumbnail using the YouTube Shorts 9:16 vertical dimension. This is crucial for it to display correctly on mobile. Make it eye-catching and relevant to your Shorts content. Once you're happy with your design, save it as an image file. For this tutorial, we'll just grab a YouTube Shorts thumbnail from Canva. The second stage is integrating the thumbnail into your short. Open your video editing software or app. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut, but feel free to use any video editing app that you prefer. Import the finished YouTube short video that you want to give a custom thumbnail. Now, for the first trick, add 3 seconds of blank space right at the end of your short video. Then, import the custom thumbnail you created in stage 1 and place it precisely in that 3-second space. Make sure the thumbnail image covers the entire 3-second duration and nothing more. Once that's done, export your short video. Now, the final stage takes us to the YouTube mobile app. Grab your phone and open the YouTube app, not the Studio app. This is very critical. This trick doesn't work with the YouTube Studio app. Tap on your channel logo in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on your videos. Find the specific YouTube short that you want to add the custom thumbnail to. On the extreme right side of the video title, you'll see a 3-dot menu. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, tap Edit with the pencil icon. Your short video will now appear at the top of your screen for editing. You'll see a pencil icon on your video's current thumbnail. Tap on that. At the bottom of your phone screen, you'll now see many rectangles. These are the auto-generated thumbnails for your video. Crucially, the final 3 seconds where you added your custom thumbnail will also be generated as a thumbnail automatically among these options. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with changing the thumbnail. Tap and hold your finger on one of these rectangles and slide it either side to select the last rectangle, the one that displays your custom thumbnail design. Once you've selected it, leave your finger there. Now, look at the top of your phone screen and click Save, or you may see a check mark. You now have a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts video. Check the description below for more YouTube tips and explore other helpful video tutorials. If you found this video valuable and you want to see more, consider subscribing and ringing the bell icon. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Click this card for more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.